So if we talk about the parabola, there is a two equation of the parabola. Let first one will be the y square is equals to 4ax. This is the standard form of the parabolic equation. Y square is equals to 4ax. Now, if we want to find the axis of the parabolic equation, we have to see the right hand side of the equation. So here axis is x, x positive axis. Then next one is if you want to find the focus. So focus is the value of a. So that means we have to compare focus of parabola is a comma 0, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो एक्सिस
सर पैराबोला में कितने फोकस होते हैं?
सर
इक्वेशन
फोकस
ऑफ
होता क्या है?
डायरेक्ट्रिक्स बताता हूँ बाद में, अभी सिर्फ इक्वेशन लिखो फिर एक्सप्लेन करो. Equation of directrix will be a is equals to x is equals to minus a. Equation of directrix. Then length of letters rectum is 4a. So the second equation is x square is equals to 4by, or that is written in the form of 4ay. तुम्हारे बुक में 4ay के फॉर्म में लिखा है, तो मैं ay ही लिख दे रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे जो एक्सिस होगा वो पॉजिटिव एक्सिस है, y पॉजिटिव एक्सिस. फोकस जो होगा वो y एक्सिस होने की वजह से 0,b हो जाएगा. इक्वेशन ऑफ डायरेक्ट्रिक्स का जो इक्वेशन होगा that is y is equals to, okay, 1 minute, we have taken here a na, so we have to write here only a. Here a denote the point on the y axis, so 0 comma a, that y is equals to minus a, and the length of latest rectum is equals to 4a. चार होती है नेगेटिव साइड जो होंगे, इट कैन बी रिटन आल्सो एज अ -4ax and this one can be written as -4ay.
अच्छा सर,
So
उसके
their
अंदर
axis will
मतलब
be
माइनस वाई
changes.
एक्सिस.
So first equation की बात करें, that is y square is equals to 4ax, then axis will be like this, क्योंकि हमारा पैराबोला y is square is equals to
4ax.
4ax.
4ax. So if we talk about the vertex, so here the vertex is at the intersection of axis, so that the vertex will be 0,0. फोकस की बात करें तो इन बिटवीन ये जो पॉइंट मिलता है ना इन दोनों के सेंटर की तरह इलिप्स के, so that is known as the focus. So we've written here focus a comma 0. Now the
सर
equation of
बोलिए तो
directrix.
सर.
Equation of directrix is a line that is behind the axis. यानी अगर ये x पॉजिटिव एक्सिस के ऊपर है तो इसके बैक साइड जो भी a की वैल्यू आएगी हम उसको नेगेटिव फॉर्म में ये a मिला हमें, जो भी डिस्टेंस इसका यहाँ से है उतना ही डिस्टेंस बैक साइड लेने वाले, तो हमें इक्वेशन मिलेगा x इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस है b, that -4ax, so it will be parabola in this side.
सर ये लेंथ ऑफ लेटेस्ट रेक्टम क्या है?
Okay, I will discuss it. So this is the axis, x axis, y axis. Now we have to represent the parabola x square is equals to 4ay. So ये 4ay में जो भी variable दिखता है ना, that will represent your axis. So you have the positive y axis. So this means the parabola is like this, upward. So your focus will be on y axis. So x will be 0 and the second variable y is a. Then your latest rectum will be this side. That the equation of directrix. So y is equals to minus a. Latest rectum is the maximum opening from the focus. ये जो focus होता है, यहाँ से ये जो length pass होता है दोनों curve के बीच का distance, this one is known as latest rectum.
सर वो तो पेज नंबर 245 पे है।
Sir,
So that is the latest rectum. So the exercise 11.2, your first question is find the coordinate of the focus axis of parabola and the equation of directrix and the length of latest rectum. So here we have given parabola equation is y square is equals to 4 12x. So now on comparing with y square is equals to 4ax. So we have 4a is equals to 12. And now if we see here the axis is x-axis. So we can write here directly axis of parabola is x-axis, or that is x positive axis. Now we have 4a is equals to 12. So we have a is equals to 3. So when a is equals to 3, we can also find the focus. So here the focus is a comma 0. So that is 3 comma 0. Now we need to find the length of latest rectum and the equation of directrix. So here the equation of directrix is x is equals to minus a. So we have already calculated a. So we have the equation x is equals to minus 3. And the last one we need length of latest rectum, that is equals to 4a. It means 4 threes are 12. So now in question number 4, we have x square is equals to minus 16y. So if we compare this equation with the parabola form x square is equals to 4ay, then here the coefficient of y is
equal to minus 16.
coefficient of y is negative. So it means it is open downward parabola. Or you can simply understand this by using this. This is the axis where x square is equals to minus 16y. So it is open downward. So it is somewhere on the negative y axis. This is x square is equals to minus 16y. So we have finded the axis. Axis is negative y axis. Now we need to find the value of a. So we have to compare with 4a is equals to minus 16. So a is equals to minus 4. So we have focus, that is 0 comma a. So it is 0 comma minus 4. So directrix is somewhere on the positive y-axis because the parabola is on negative y-axis. So it will be y is equals to a. So we have equation of directrix. Y is equals to a. So y is equals to 4. It will given in question that the vertex of the parabola is this one. So the vertex will be shifted from the origin. So now the length of latus rectum is equals to 4a. So it's a 4 4 जा 16 unit. 7 की बात करें तो we have focus 6,0. So
मतलब
focus
सर
means
ए
a
दिया है
comma 0 is 6,0. So we have a is equals to 6. Now the directrix is x is equals to a is equals to minus 6. So it means this parabola is somewhere on the positive x axis क्योंकि इसका जो डायरेक्ट्रिक्स है ना वो नेगेटिव पे है. So its axis will be positive. So positive axis में we have to write here y square is equals to 4
24x
ax. But we will write here y square is equals to 4 into 6 into x. So it's a y square is equals to 24.